Because of our existing relationship with Bridgedale Homes, we were brought in to help with the design to give a 100% heating and hot water solution and a cost-effective solution to Bridgedale Homes. We chose Panasonic for this project because of their excellent brand recognition and their expertise and technical backup.
The brief from Bridgedale Homes to Panasonic was that the unit should be able to withstand corrosive nature of a seaside location, should be able to deliver hot water up to 65 degrees C, and should be able to meet compliance with a PEO rating for the housing project. Panasonic units which are supplied to Greystones Marina Village are a mixture of 9 and 12 kilowatt high temperature monoblock units. They can supply water up to 65 degrees C, and because they're monoblock design, it means all of the refrigeration components and pipework are self-contained in the outdoor unit. This makes installation very fast and very simple.
The challenge that we faced on this project was the proximity to the sea. To overcome this challenge, we got the units protected by using bronze glow. Bronze glow provided a special coating to the units to protect it from the sea elements.
As well as supplying the earth-water heat pumps for the project, Panasonic also supplied the Aquaria cylinders pre-plumbed with a capacity of 200 litres. The Aquaria tanks can store enough hot water for a medium to large family at a water temperature up to 60 degrees C. Panasonic have been specified to supply every earth-water heat pump within the Greystones Marina Village project.
When looking for a house, there was a number of criteria that I had to tick the boxes on, and one was the location, and two, which was very important, was the heating of that house. When we came to the show house, the questions I asked was what heating system has been used, and it was explained to me this new system which I wasn't familiar with, the Panasonic air heat system, which when I heard about it and did some research, I was delighted that they were putting that particular system in. For us, it gives us everything we want. It's a constant heat that we have all year round. Compared with my previous home and where we had come from, same size house with the utility bills that we had, we could see a dramatic decrease in our outgoings. I would safely say at least 50% we're saving at the moment. When you live in a country like Ireland, particularly on the coast, you want a system that works. Panasonic does this for us. It delivers on-demand heating, hot water at all times. It's efficient, reliable, and a system I highly recommend.
Panasonic.